My name is Ted Jeske, and I'm the president and owner of 110 Metalworks in Liverpool, New York. Our company supplies a number of markets to include defense, transportation, agriculture, and heavy equipment. At 110, we are investing in more advanced machines like this new lathe because of the added automation. Automation is key to our future, not only to keep us competitive, but we can get more throughput. We can set this machine up to run, lights out, and while that machine is running, that skilled labor person can then go run other jobs on other pieces of equipment. The reason why we picked Doosan is not just because of the capability of the machine, but also because of the partnership we have with Syracuse Supply. They have been phenomenal in not just selling us equipment, but helping us select the right equipment and also how to use that equipment to maximize it, to make us successful and to help make our customers successful. They are a long-term supply chain partner.